Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got an awesome watch face by PM Design. You all want to stay tuned for this one. It is nice. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got an awesome watch face by PM Design. We want you all to check out. We got two at hand. But before we get started, we want to give thanks to PM Design for PM Design 10. He donated a freebie in the Gear Manager store. He passed on the information to me to pass on to you. So I want to give him thanks for that and giving up a freebie in the Gear Manager store. So with that being said, let's check out the watch face at hand. This one is called PM Design 14. This is an awesome looking watch face. Almost made the watch face of the week, but I couldn't hold it. I had to show you guys because this was such an awesome watch face, and it is affordable in the Gear Manager store. If you have not checked out his lineup, go check out this guy's lineup. I'm telling you, you'll like what he has to offer. Now with this, let's go ahead and check this out. Now in always on mode, you're going to get a black and red theme, which is pretty cool. You're going to be able to see your time at a glance. It's going to have an analog look, the same as you're going to get when the watch face is turned on. Now, when the watch face is on, here's where the uniqueness starts to take place with this watch face. First of all, you got your hands, which are lit up red, and then the tips are blue and green. You got a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, and your index is red, right? Nice look all together. You really don't have to do nothing else with this watch face. It's a cool look, but here's where the customization really gets good. So if I want to, I can change the theme. If I do this, I can make this watch face look the way I want it to. Okay, let me do this one. And so if I want it all black, I can have it all black, or I could double tap again and I could bring up info on my steps, my battery, also floors climb, right? Do you see the little animation as I open up the box? You got a little red animation going around the box. And here, let me do that one. It's going to do the same thing around both. And if I do it here, I can bring up the time. I thought that was pretty slick, right? I thought this was pretty cool. And if I want to change it, I can. So it's like you got a multi-watch face in one, which I thought was pretty cool. Now, this is the way I would leave it, probably like this, or I would probably more so leave it like that, or I would have the black thing, right, which I think looks better. So depending on how I'm feeling for that day is the way that I would customize this watch face. Considering the price of this watch face, it is worth its weight in gold. I said download it when you get a chance. Again, it's affordable in the Gear Manager. Watch face number 2. Now this developer, I'm telling you, he is outdoing himself. Now this one is called PM Design 13. I thought he did an awesome job with this one. This one here is also affordable in the Gear Manager store. I'm telling you, check this guy's lineup out. This is worth the price that he's charging for this watch face, right? So now in always on mode, I like to look at this watch face in always on mode. It looks good on, but it really, really looks good in the AOD mode. I'm loving it. But when the watch face is on, let's talk about this watch face, right? First of all, you get every setting you could possibly want in one place going around the bezel of the watch. You got your settings, alarm, music, scheduler. You can send a text message, check your contacts, phone, make a phone call, weather, and you can find your phone. Makes the watch face super, super convenient. You don't have to go into your apps at all. You got everything right at your fingertips. Now, if you look up at the top, you got the name of the developer, name of the watch face. You also get where he's got a rail for steps, right? I like that. You also get the heart rate right next to it, and he's going again with the animated heart. I like that look. You come down, you got info on miles walked or ran. You come down from there, you got your calories burned, your step info, you got the day of the week, you got your date. You come down, you get a digital time, and I like the way the background kind of brings the numbers to the forefront. I like that look. You got your battery info down at the bottom. You also get a little meter. Same thing on the opposite side. You're going to get your step goal completed over there as well. But if you look right here, you got your second hand is going around the bezel of the watch. I like that. You don't have the whole hand. You just got enough to let you know where the second hand is landing. So I like that. Now, this colorful thing right here probably let me know that I'm in between having full and having empty, right? Because when it's full, I believe it lights up blue. Once it gets closer to empty, it's going to light red. So I thought this was definitely a good look, but that's not it. He also offers the opportunity to change the theme of the watch face. Check this out, right? That looks good right there. I'm gonna double tap again. I like that one. Let's do it again. Now that I thought was pretty cool, right? Check that out. So depending on what you're wearing, your outfit for jogging or running or even working, you could set this accordingly, which I thought was pretty cool. So I thought the developer did a really good job on this watch face, and I'm going to encourage them to continue. So I'm going to give this developer 2 thumbs up for a awesome, creative, unique watch face. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Are you going to download it? Is it worth the download? In my opinion, it is definitely worth the download. All right, you all, if you liked the video, hit the like button on the way out. If you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care, and I'll see you then.